Welcome to our guide on optimizing your health. Today, we delve into the complex relationship between testosterone and stress. Hi there, today we're diving deep into the connection between testosterone and stress and how it affects your overall health. Testosterone is a hormone that plays a crucial role in many aspects of health, including muscle mass, bone density, mood, and sexual function. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels can disrupt the delicate balance of hormones in your body, including testosterone. But it's not just stress that affects testosterone levels. Factors such as poor sleep, unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, and excessive alcohol consumption can also contribute to hormonal imbalances. Chronic stress can lead to decreased testosterone production, which can have a range of negative effects on both physical and mental health. It's important to address stress and adopt healthy lifestyle habits to optimize testosterone levels. So, what can you do to optimize your testosterone levels and manage stress effectively? First, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support hormone production and regulate cortisol levels. Next, focus on nutrition. Incorporate a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to support overall health and hormone balance. Regular exercise is also key. Aim for a mix of cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises to promote testosterone production and reduce stress. Finally, practice stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or Tai Chi to calm the mind and reduce cortisol levels. Thank you for joining us on this journey to optimize your health. By understanding the connection between testosterone and stress and adopting healthy lifestyle habits, you can take control of your well-being and live your best life.